Hello my viewers, what you're looking at here is a 1980s builder fan. It's 52 inches, and I believe it's a Gulf Coast, but I'm not sure. So here's the light kit. You can do something really cool. See, it goes 2, 2, 4, and off. I think that's a really cool feature. And now for low. You see? And it's 52 inches, white and polished brass finish. I think it looks really nice. Now for medium. It has really cool pendants. I like that. Now for high. And it hums a little, but it's fine. And I flush mounted it. Now for I'll turn it back to low. Yeah, you can watch the slow down time. Yeah. So yeah, thanks for watching.